Hello dear ones, welcome to today's class. Today we are going to continue our second chapter of our grammar book. It's all about adverbs. So today we are going to learn about adverbs of reason. In the last class we have studied about adverbs of degree. So before going on to adverbs of reason, first let us again discuss about what are adverbs. Adverbs are words that modify, or adverbs are words that give more meaning to a verb, to an adjective or another verb. So adverbs simply modify or give more meaning to a verb in a sentence, an adjective in a sentence, another adverb in a sentence. Okay. So now moving on to adverbs of reason. Adverbs of reason are adverbs that express the reason for the purpose or action. That means if we want to express the reason for an action, why a particular action happened, or the purpose of an action, why this particular action happened, we will be using adverbs of reason to express the reason behind an action or the purpose behind an action. Okay. For example, just see this example. He secured first rank in the entrance exam. Therefore, he could get admission in the college of his choice. So here, he got first rank in the entrance exam. That is the reason why he could get admission in the college of his choice. So that is the reason, because he got first rank in the entrance exam. That is the reason because he got admission in the college of his choice. So therefore, you could just see this particular word in yellow letters. So this is adverbs of reason. So therefore is used as adverb of reason. So if we want to express the reason for a particular action or purpose of a particular action, we will be using adverbs of reason. So there are this many adverbs in English grammar. Okay. Therefore, so, hence, since, consequently, thus. I will repeat once again. Therefore, so, hence, since, consequently and thus. These are adverbs of reason. So if we want to express the purpose of an action or the reason behind a particular action that happened, we will be using adverbs of reason. So once again I will explain this particular example. Just listen to me carefully. He secured first rank in the entrance examination. So this is a particular action that happened, and he could get admission in the college of his choice. So as a result of getting first rank in the entrance examination, this was the reason he got admission in the college of his choice. Okay. So this is adverbs of reason. Okay, now we will do exercise number 3 of your grammar book. So everyone turn to page number 11 of your grammar textbook. Okay. There you could see exercise number 3. Circle the adverbs of reason in the sentences given below. So you have to circle the adverbs of reason. Okay. So now we will do this exercise one by one. First one, the patient's condition was extremely critical. Hence the doctors observed him closely. So usually the adverbs of reason usually comes in the second sentences. Okay. So just see first one, the patient's condition was extremely critical. This is an action that happened. So that is the reason why the doctors observed him closely. So we got adverbs of reason as hence. So circle hence, everybody. Yes. Now next one. She danced beautifully. This is an action that happened. She danced beautifully. She was given the dancer of the evening. So this is the reason. She was given the dancer of the evening award because she danced beautifully. So therefore is the adverb of reason. Very good. Are you guys doing it with me? Yes, very good. So now moving on to number C. The dam broke and consequently the nearby villages were flooded. So now the dam broke. That is the reason why the nearby villages were flooded. So consequently is the adverb of reason. Now moving on to the next one. Just see, I will eat my lunch inside since it is raining. So I will eat my lunch inside is an action, and the reason why this action happened, because it was rainy. So since is the adverb of reason. You have to read the sentence, understand the meaning of the sentence, find out the action that is being performed, and find out the reason why this action happened. Then you will get a word that links the action that is performed and the reason. So that word is adverb of reason. Okay. The sources of fresh water on earth are limited, so we should conserve water. So this is an action that is happening. So the sources of fresh water on earth are limited. So that's why we should conserve water. So is the adverb of reason. The car got punctured and thus they had to walk a long distance. The car got punctured is the action that is happening, action that is being performed. Okay. And what the reason? This is the reason. And now we will get thus as the adverb of reason. This is the adverb. So now we have completed exercise number 3. Okay. So coming to today's homework, you have to do exercise number 4, that is on page number 11 as homework. Okay. You have to write your answers in your grammar book only. No need to copy it down in your notebook or into your rough book. Just do this exercise in your grammar book only, and we will be correcting the answers during the live interaction session. Okay, until we meet next time, thank you.